Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Michael again. Today I will use English for this episode. So this video session is about to introduce a useful Python function called the evaluation, EVAL. So it's pretty simple. So whatever user input to the system are expression, the system will be evaluate the value and give it to the another variable we can use it to print out. So let's see the screen. So you can see the first line we ask user to input the expression, then we give it to the user exp or expression the variable. Then we ask user to input the value of the, the variable a. Then we evaluate use the EVAL function. We evaluate the user expression. Then we give out the result to the results variable. Then we print out the results. So it's pretty simple. Let's try it. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's see. Let's say we put it a multiply 5. Okay. Then we input the value of the a. So we put the 2. Okay. So it's print out the result of the 32. So this is correct results. Okay. So let's try it again. So we import the expression as a mod 7. Then we put the value of the variable a. We put maybe 4. Okay, let's see 14. So the results should be 0. Yeah. Okay. So it's pretty useful and a very simple Python function. So pretty useful. So hope you can use it in your daily life. Thank you very much. Bye bye.